Watch. Say hello to the beast. Right. Keyboard warriors! Can you hear me? I, at Hair for All, have all the comments come through and I decide which ones to go up. Anything personal about me, I let up because I think it's funny. I really do. But sexism, racism, homophobia is not coming on my Hair for All channel, okay? So far away at me, keyboard warriors! That's fine, yeah? But don't even waste your time on the rest, yeah? Because it ain't gonna happen. Right, so, me, I had a real funny one, right? On my fitting video, I gotta do this because I think it's hilarious. On my fitting video, I was lying in the sink and one guy said, sort out your hair, mate, but how about your teeth? Watch this. Nothing wrong with my teeth. And then he called me a mole. I've had my teeth done. I'm not a mole. Okay, so keyboard warrior. Pick on somebody else. Right, on a serious account, now I've got that out of the way. Reviews. Right, so we get reviews obviously on Google, and we've had a few from clients that weren't so happy. I want to take this opportunity to apologise to Phil, a fantastic guy that came to see us. I took pictures of him, loved the look. He came in and I could see when I saw the pictures there was a shade, just one shade too light, and there should have been colour work on it. He put an honest review up. Hurtful, I do find them hurtful, but at the end of the day, he's given me the opportunity to rectify it, so thank you. There's another review from a guy from Damien that disappeared for 7-8 months, and then all of a sudden I get this. Hold on a second. Attack all over the place, saying this system hasn't lasted and so forth. And it came for a fitting, disappear completely for 8 months, and then obviously there's shedding. Right, what I'm trying to do about this is all the vlogs and everything to try and help people. Yeah, look, anyone that comes on and says something that's not quite right, look, I can only apologise. I'm terribly conscious of trying to keep the prices at an affordable amount. As soon as I can bring other people in to replace me and the beast, or an addition to me and the beast that help out, and I still keep the prices relevant, $5.50 or something like that, the better. Ben, our marketing guy, does a terrific job bringing in inquiries. We've got a team at Hair for All which is growing, and a few of the comments, one of the stylists, Colin, who owns Hair for All Hertfordshire, he said that people are struggling to get hold of us. What I'd like all the people that are struggling to get hold of us to do is we've got Answer Machine. Please leave an Answer Machine message and we will get back to you within 24 hours. If we don't, then we've let you down, okay? So keep the inquiries coming, make it simple. On social media, for example, I pop on and off my Facebook page. Just literally on and off, do a few likes, load up, and I'm gone again. Yeah, I'm getting messages which I just can't do. So go to info@hair4all and please send your contact details, and Ben, our marketing guy, gets them and presents all the inquiries to me, and we've got a team of people that are cool. I've got Alex Beth now, the business manager, has moved over from accounts. We brought Debbie in, we've got Olivia, we've got Stuart, we've got Mike, we've got Colin, we've got Megan, we've got Andrea, that all are there to help us, and you got me, yeah? So please keep the inquiries coming. Try and give us 72 hours. Come down and see me. Book in. I'm always, like I told you, always able to attach a sample to your skin, and that's a bigger attraction than seeing me and the beast, yeah? So be patient with us. Sorry, Phil S. I'm going to make amends. You give me the opportunity, and I will make amends to you. Damien, come and see me rather than go missing for 8 months and then say it hasn't worked out, work with us and we can go from there, okay? So anyway, thank you very much. And I'm going to end on this note. The Keyboard Warrior!